Hi guys, this is my tilapia pond, my backyard tilapia pond. And this pond is about 6 months old. There are about 200 fishes in there right now. About 60 that is ready to eat, and probably another 140 that's a second generation. Um, so obviously the fishes were in another pond before I built this in my backyard. Now I've been upgrading and updating this pond for the last, well, 6 months. And I know I have a grow bed, and my filter system is filter system is in, and so I mean, in the next few videos I will be taking you guys through how I come about setting up this pond, how it works, how long the fish takes to get ready to be harvested, and also how the filter system works, how it's been working so far, how the plants and the grow bed and the whole aquaponics system works as well. So this is my first video of my tilapia pond that is set up in my backyard. Thank you.